Hello once again. So today we're going to learn on how to change clothes color in Pixellab. So come on, search for Pixellab application. So this is the Pixellab application. This is the Pixellab. Okay. Our best as just designing. So we have just come here. So we know that today we have to change the size. So 1700 width. So this will just work for us. Then I add this list here. I just change the color. So the color will at least come here. The gradient color. After clicking on, then I'm going to upload the photo. So you know what to upload. I will just come here. Click there. The coming to import, I will do just come. So I'm going to pick this photo that I'm going to be using, this one. So from there I click OK. So I just have to decrease the size. And I have to center it like this. Then I move it down. This time move it this side like this. So there I have just lock it like this. Lock it. Then I copy again. Send it here. Then I'll come and just do lock. After locking, then I will just come here on color filters. Color filters, click there. Then I will just add on the hue. Then I will come on circulation. I will just increase on the circulation like this. Then after I click OK. So remember to like, subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Then there I will just come here and go to erase. So what I'm just doing is advising you, don't come to eraser, then you pick the eraser side, then you do like this. So you're not recommended to do this thing. So just do like this. So you're not allowed to do like this. You see how the photo is. So the main thing you're going to do is that you come to eraser, then you come here to color picker, then check the color that we don't want right now. When to use the color I'm seeking, then I'll click OK. I do come and go to tolerance, just increase the tolerance like this. Increase the tolerance, click OK. So this is the best way on how we can design or change clothes color using Pixellab application. In a few minutes, then you're done. Yes, do add another photo, just get more start and get more experience in designing on how changing color. So just going to add another photo that is this. Let's pick this photo. I click OK. Then I also have to enlarge, again down. Then I'll again do here copy. Now we'll do just slow. Then I'll do come. Then you come on different. What? Just change like this. Change on the circulation like this. Decreasing on the circulation, just come and do. Remember, I just told you don't always click on erase. So you're prohibited and you're not allowed to click on eraser because the photo will just lose the quality. So come to eraser, this here, mint here, click there. After clicking, enable it, the color picker, then they pick the color that you want to remove from this person. To come here and do like this. You select color, then you increase the tolerance. To increase the tolerance, then that now you are being done with editing, or as you just change the colored color in the Pixellab. So thanks for watching. God bless you. Keep watching Dylan. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.